if children are doing all of this, I think what Nigeria needs are children. So, my brother can be rest assured that Nigeria appreciates him. Even the fight that we lost, we did not lose with our heads bowed. We lost knowing that we stood for the truth and we stood for what is good for this country. Aluta continua. We will continue to fight for our space within PDP, and we will continue to ensure that what is right for our people is given to our people. They call my brother Mr. Project. I think that is an understatement. I will re-Christian him today, because from what we've seen here, these are not just projects. These are quality projects. So from today, I will Christian him Mr. Quality Project. Thank you and God bless you.